74,000 years ago, humanity came closer to extinction than at any other point in history. Not from an asteroid. Not from disease. Not from war. But from a single volcanic eruption so powerful it may have reduced the entire human population to just a few thousand individuals. This is the story of the Toba supervolcano, and the moment our species almost disappeared forever. The Toba supervolcano lies beneath what is now Lake Toba in northern Sumatra, Indonesia. Unlike ordinary volcanoes, supervolcanoes don't erupt frequently, but when they do, they release thousands of times more energy than any eruption recorded in human history. Around 74,000 years ago, Toba erupted with a force estimated to be over 2,800 cubic kilometers of volcanic material. To put that into perspective, if Mount Vesuvius buried Pompeii, Toba would have buried entire continents. Ash from the eruption was blasted more than 40 kilometers into the atmosphere and spread across Africa, South Asia, and the Indian Ocean. The Earth had entered a planetary crisis. When Toba erupted, the immediate destruction was catastrophic. Entire ecosystems near the volcano were instantly erased. But the true danger didn't come from lava, it came from what followed. The eruption released enormous amounts of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, forming a dense global haze. Sunlight was blocked. Temperatures dropped rapidly. Rainfall patterns collapsed. Scientists believe the Earth entered a volcanic winter that may have lasted anywhere from 6 to 10 years, with lingering effects for centuries. In some regions, global temperatures may have dropped by up to 10 degrees Celsius. For early humans, who depended entirely on hunting, gathering, and stable climates, this was devastating. At the time of the eruption, modern humans were still a young species. We had no agriculture, no cities, no technology to survive rapid climate collapse. According to genetic studies, the global human population may have dropped to as few as 3,000 to 10,000 individuals. This is known as a population bottleneck, a point where a species comes dangerously close to extinction. Entire human groups vanished. Food sources disappeared. Megafauna died off. Survival became a daily gamble. If conditions had worsened even slightly, modern humans may not exist today. So how do scientists know this actually happened? The evidence is written into the Earth itself. Layers of volcanic ash from the Toba eruption have been found across India, Southeast Asia, and Africa, all dated to the same time period. In some locations, ash layers are several meters thick. Genetic evidence also tells a chilling story. Modern humans show remarkably low genetic diversity compared to many other species. This suggests our ancestors passed through a severe bottleneck, consistent with a near-extinction event. Even stone tools from before and after the eruption show a sudden decline in complexity, implying cultural and population collapse. Despite the devastation, humanity did not disappear. Small groups likely survived in isolated regions with more stable climates, coastal areas, equatorial zones, and regions with reliable food sources. These survivors adapted. They moved. They innovated. They endured. And from these few thousand individuals came every human alive today. Every culture. Every language. Every civilization. Our entire species traces back to those who survived the shadow of Toba. 74,000 years ago, humanity stood at the edge of extinction. And against unimaginable odds, we survived. If you want more documentaries exploring the fragile moments that shaped our world, subscribe to Infinite Explanations. Because the future makes more sense when we understand the past.